narsiki. Presinto nga ako sulit.
Kusar na sekalila itungo. Pagbuka nga kinarukian mo dito kena wirabang daw parang bisnis. Kena okay na nung tayo rawan ng kayo may puno at yun na tangilang bopem.
Pinawalap sa. Which way do you face it? So, Fiji Correctional Service, I on behalf of government and of course on behalf of the ministry responsible for disaster management wish to acknowledge you and your senior officers, men and women of the Fiji Correctional Services for this kind contribution from the institution. This is part of our response to the region, particularly in terms of humanitarian assistance. Vanuatu was badly devastated, lots of damage and losses, and of course Fiji, being a responsible member of the region, is willing to contribute, assist in whatever way. There has been request from the Vanuatu government for an extension of our assistance for our men and women who are already in Vanuatu, and the government has approved that this extension be extended to the 30th of April, and we will look at other options, probably with our other partners, as we approach the end of April 2015. But please convey our appreciation to the men and women of the Fiji Correctional Services. And unfortunately, there were plans for other agencies to be part of the deployment as well, but again, because of logistics and a few other factors, we couldn't get all the agencies into the theater because of those constraints that we have. But we will look at maybe a deployable option for us in future, and of course we will always look at Fiji Correctional Services as well to be part of this unit should and when the need does arise. We wish you every success and all the best for 2015, and keep up the good work that you're doing, and of course definitely this will be relayed to the Prime Minister and of course Cabinet as well. As we progress. The rest of the stores, we are planning on sending it across, and Pacific Agency has come to our assistance. The boat probably will be here next week on the 14th, loading in Suva and of course in Lautoka as well, departing on the 17th, arriving in Vanuatu on the 19th, and that probably will take the last wave of donation, including stores and materials from Fiji, arriving in Vietnam on the 19th, and in time for our men and women there to distribute before we return, or subject to further extension should our partners come forward and are willing to assist us. So, binasar wali muna vibuki, abanu ni binati na tamata ni bingravi, and abanu dultin kelima.